after a year full of iterative updates not inspired by its Galaxy S and Galaxy Note lines, the company will more than make up for its boring updates. The phone in question will have a new and exciting full-screen design that will push the beloved design identity of Samsung to new heights. It will be packed with state-of-the-art technology and intriguing features, such as an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on the screen. It will also have up to 5 cameras, offering a mobile photography experience like we have never seen before in a widely distributed smartphone. In fact, it will be Samsung's most exciting new Galaxy phone in years. In fact, it could be Samsung's most exciting Galaxy phone. But no, we're not talking about the Samsung Galaxy folding smartphone confirmed once again earlier this week, which has been referred to as the Galaxy X and more recently, the Galaxy F. We are talking about the Galaxy S10, which Samsung fans should wait anxiously more than the folding phone that Samsung is about to reveal. Samsung's mobile boss, DJ Ko, confirmed that the company plans to announce its first folding smartphone this year. We do not know exactly when the phone will be released, but Ko said it would happen in 2018. Samsung and Huawei have been running to become the first smartphone maker to introduce a production device with a foldable OLED display, and now it looks as Samsung is about to win. That race, by the way, is the first red flag that tells us that we really should not be very excited about this new Galaxy F.